Alright, what's up guys? We're back at the Maverick. We got a good install today. So we picked up a set of Billie Bars to be our bed rack, and we're gonna try and install them. Hopefully it works good with our cover. We might have to adjust some stuff to get it to work, but I'm gonna show you the install, do a quick little vid. Probably be longer than I hope, but let's get these bad boys open, huh? These are the instructions.
That's pretty nice.
It's a nice sheet of paper, Billie Bars. So if you're not familiar with Billie Bars, they got the low profile bed racks for us, and we also got the molly panel for one side. Didn't want to buy both sides, you know, that shit is kind of expensive. They left us a little note.
Look at that.
Thanks for the order.
Wow.
Well, would you look at that? We don't need that box. And I have to figure out how this box works. Looks like I'm just gonna cut it open. Whoops. So who is Billie? Alright, well, here's all the pieces. And I guess I'm gonna have to look at these instructions real quick. So read the instructions. It's easy as hell. So first I'm gonna loosen my cover so I can slip one of these brackets through, and then we can actually get started. Alright, so got a bracket right here. It says M on it. I don't know what that means. They all say M on it.
Means made good.
Made good, you heard it here first. So this
That's
needs
a nice
to
looking
go.
bracket, ain't it? How'd they bend that?
Yeah, how'd y'all bend this? What kind of brake y'all got? But this needs to go on the inside like this. So it's gonna be like this. Okay. Alright, so let me show you how this is gonna look. Alright, so this is the back plate right here. These have squares in them, go right through. You got the short side at the top. And we're gonna rest this up here. Grab this. Like that. Grab our washers, always wash your nuts. A little pro tip for you guys. And then these bolts are 9/16. There's one. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side and then come back. So we got the other rear on and we got the front right here. So I loosened my cover right here so I can get underneath. And we're gonna try, because we have to dodge this bracket right here, or this clamp. So I put it to the right of that, and then I'm just gonna shove this in here like that. And then line up these bolts. And then that should be good, like right where it's at. So we're gonna bolt this up real quick and speedy like. Yeah, right. Alright, so I'm gonna do that, but on the other side now. Alright, so we got all four in, and now we're about to stick the bar on, the cross. It's just gonna rest in here like this, and then we're gonna get the bolts in. They give you these security bolts, and they give you this thing to do it with, and then there's two on each side. So I'll come over here.
Why you think like that jump was about to bite you? Here's paint.
I'm not gonna torque them all down yet. I'm gonna just get them all in. Make sure everything lines up. All right, so that's one bar, good to go. Let me see how it looks. So they're definitely more towards the front.
What are we doing over here?
I'm looking at it. I don't know if I like where they're at. See what I'm saying?
This looks fine.
Alright, so we adjusted everything and we got the back bar on. So everything's good. Pretty strong. With the cover we have, we're not going to be able to open it when we have these on. But I don't really open the cover. Here it is. Here's how it looks. Pretty low. Shaking with the whole car. We pushed these back a little bit to work better with our tonneau because it was creating a gap up here when it was further up. So we just squished it in a little bit. So these are the Billie Bars. There you go, huh? Obviously, you know, makes the cover a little harder to open because you can't open it, but you just gotta plan ahead.
Just get balls deep in the
But
bed.
now that you already have these set up, you can really just undo 4 bolts and take off the whole thing. Or 4 nuts, I mean. And it'd be good, right? How hard do you think it would be to take this off if I needed to use the whole bed?
Not that hard.
But when do I ever do that?
Never.
Because even if I want to get like long ass 2x4s, I just open the tailgate anyways.
Plus, I mean, it's still open a little bit if you want to squeeze a 2x4 in.
Well, yeah, but I can just put this in flex mode and strap my 2x4s down.
Yeah.
So that's the Billie Bar install. I'm pretty impressed with it, so
They're shaking.
So we put these on because I have a rooftop tent coming, and I'm planning on doing that. This is the first step of our overland build we're trying to get going. We got some more stuff on the way, like some lights and something else. Oh, we got lights coming. We got the lift kit we got to install. We're getting wheels and tires. So we got a lot of stuff coming. But thanks for watching. Billie Bars. So if you're looking for a low profile bed rack, it's probably the best option. I mean, not that many people make racks for the Maverick right now. I know it's this and the big one from Overland Extrusion. I think that's what they're called. But those racks are like a G, and this one is like $500, I think. So if you're interested, check them out. If not, at least thanks for checking out our vid. 1,000 subs coming up soon. We're announcing the giveaway next video. I'm pretty sure, don't quote me, but we're doing a big giveaway for 1,000. Details on that to come. Make sure you subscribe if you want to find out more on that. Thanks for checking out the vid. Truck's starting to come together a little bit, huh? You could do something with that. You give him a side profile shot.
Yeah. Look at it. There you go.
And we'll see you someday in the next vid.